Hi everyone, it's Magda from Foyr, and today I'm gonna explain how to use Create New Product tool. First, we have to switch to 3D mode, as Create New Product tool is only available in 3D mode. You have to click on the Create New Product in the top center of your screen, and now this menu will open on your left-hand side. To start creating objects, you can use Rectangle tool. With that tool, you can create square and rectangular shaped objects. You can also create circular objects. We can do arches. With push and pull, we can give depth and dimension to an object, and we can also create cavities. Offset tool will copy the shape of any object, and you can create framings with that tool. With the ruler tool, you can measure everything out, and the trim tool will cut unwanted lines and ruler guidelines. With pen tool, you can trace over ruler and you can draw lines. I will start with rectangle tool. You can draw on the ceilings, on the walls, and on the floors. I will create an arched cabinet and I will start drawing on the wall. First, we will do rectangular shape. You can type in dimensions straight away, or you can edit them after. As you can see, this object is flat on your wall, so now we will give it some depth. For that, we will use the push and pull tool. Now we will create an arch for our cabinet. I'll click on the arc tool. I choose a point, I click and I draw the line, and now I will create the arch. I will use the push and pull tool to remove the upper part. Now we'll add some shelves and cabinet doors. First, we will use the offset to create a framing. Now we will use the ruler tool to measure the position of our cabinets and shelves. Now, by using rectangle tool or a pen tool, we can trace over our guidelines. Now we will create cabinet doors for our cabinets. We can use the trim tool to trim away the ruler lines. Now we can use the push and pull to create cavities for our shelves and some depth for our cabinets. When you are done with creating your project, click on Done in the top right corner of your screen, and now we're back in 3D mode. You can move the product around, and you can also resize it if you need to. Now we will apply some textures and add decorative pieces and handles. Our new product is ready. You can add this product into your own library, and then you can reuse it in your future projects. I will show you a few more examples of what can be created with Create New Product tool. Hope this video was helpful.